Hello guys, welcome to Think Media. This is Money App Review, and this Money App has already gotten 10 million downloads. And in today's video, before we get started, subscribe to this channel and like this video, if you haven't done that already. Okay, now let's get started. You can make money with this Money App by inviting your friends. You can click on this invite button, and share with your friend. And when your friend signs up with your invite code, you will make some coins. You can as well make money with this Money App by performing some tasks online. Just click on any offer and pick your preferred earning method. Okay, let's check out this offer. As you have seen, you just have to click and download this app and start performing your tasks. Okay, this is the place where you'll find all the available offers on this Money App. Okay, now let's perform some tasks. And this is the cash out page. Once you're done performing your task, and have successful earned some coins, you can head over to the cash out page and apply for this PayPal money. If you have any question, ask me your question in the comments section down below. You might as well leave a comment. To get started, click on the link below this video. Good luck and don't forget to subscribe.